Hello guys, good to have you back for another video. So please set my car. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can reset the inspection indicator of a Volkswagen Crafter. This one comes from 2015. Slightly different than my previous video about a Crafter. This is how you can reset it. First of all, turn the ignition on to the second position. All the lights, warning lights are on. Then you need to wait, that's the key, to wait till the inspection indicator over here disappears. If you start without that being disappeared, the trick doesn't work. Now it's gone. Then we have two buttons over here, the M and the O button. Press and hold the O button till you hear a small beep. Like this. Then you can scroll through the menu by pressing the M button a couple of times to find this one, minus 1200 for inspection. Press and hold the O button for about 3 seconds again. Release when it says reset and press it again. Do the check, turn the ignition off, turn back on the ignition, and you can see that the inspection indicator doesn't pop up anymore. You can check by scrolling through the menu. Next inspection, timeless, and the oil inspection is in 18,000 kilometers, and oil inspection reset is about the same as the inspection reset. That was it for this video. I want to thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a look at our other videos, and hope to see you next time in our videos. Stay safe. Take care. Bye bye.